the early morning light in Donbas was obscured by smoke and dust. A Ukrainian unit, pinned down by relentless artillery fire, desperately clung to their position. Their only hope, a hulking, beige-colored armored vehicle, a MaxxPro. One shell landed perilously close, engulfing the MaxxPro in a blinding flash and a wave of heat. When the dust settled, the soldiers inside emerged, shaken but alive. Their MaxxPro, scarred but defiant, had once again proven its worth. Born from the urgency of the Iraq War, it was designed to counter the deadly threat of IEDs, improvised explosive devices. The MaxxPro's story is not just about technology. It's about the soldiers who rely on it for their lives and the changing face of warfare in the 21st century. The MaxxPro is a mine-resistant ambush-protected MRAP vehicle designed specifically to withstand the devastating effects of blasts from mines and IEDs. Its most distinctive feature is its V-shaped hull, which deflects the force of explosions away from the vehicle's occupants. The vehicle's armor is a marvel of modern engineering, composed of layers of specialized steel and composite materials. The MaxxPro's design prioritizes the safety of its crew above all else. Every element, from the blast-resistant seats to the strategically placed windows, is engineered to maximize survivability. The vehicle's interior is also equipped with a fire suppression system and an overpressure system that protects occupants from CBRN attacks. The MaxxPro is a meticulously crafted survival capsule, a testament to the commitment to bringing soldiers home safe. The war in Ukraine has served as a brutal proving ground for the MaxxPro. Donated by the United States and other NATO countries, MaxxPro MRAP vehicles have been deployed extensively by Ukrainian forces. From the outset, the MaxxPro has exceeded expectations, earning a reputation for its resilience and ability to protect its occupants in extremely dangerous situations. Countless stories have emerged from the front lines of Ukrainian soldiers, surviving direct hits from artillery shells and RPGs. The real-world data collected from these combat deployments is invaluable, providing crucial feedback for future iterations of armored vehicle design. The MaxxPro's adaptability to different terrains and combat scenarios has been tested and proven in the crucible of the Ukrainian conflict. "We were on patrol near Bakhmut," recounts a young Ukrainian soldier, his voice barely a whisper, "when a shell landed just meters from our MaxxPro. The earth shook and everything went white. When we regained our senses, the vehicle was filled with dust and debris. Amazingly, none of us were seriously injured. The MaxxPro saved our lives that day." This sentiment is echoed time and again by Ukrainian soldiers who have experienced the MaxxPro's life-saving capabilities firsthand. For many soldiers, the MaxxPro represents more than just a mode of transportation. It symbolizes hope and a fighting chance in a conflict where the odds often seem insurmountable. Knowing they have a reliable shield against enemy fire allows soldiers to focus on their mission, boosting their morale and combat effectiveness. The MaxxPro's arrival in Ukraine has had a profound impact on the battlefield. Its ability to withstand heavy weapons fire has forced a recalibration of tactics, both for the Ukrainian defenders and the attacking forces. The MaxxPro's resilience necessitates a more calculated approach, increasing the cost and complexity of offensive operations. For the Ukrainians, the MaxxPro has been a game-changer, providing a much-needed advantage in mobility and survivability. Beyond the immediate tactical implications, the MaxxPro's presence in Ukraine highlights a broader shift in modern warfare. In asymmetric conflicts, force protection, like that offered by the MaxxPro, becomes paramount. The MaxxPro's success in Ukraine sends a clear message. Survivability is not optional. It is the cornerstone of future military dominance. The MaxxPro's story is far from over. As technology advances, so too will the threats faced on the battlefield. The lessons learned from Ukraine are already being integrated into the next generation of armored vehicles. Engineers are constantly seeking ways to enhance protection, mobility, and firepower, pushing the boundaries of armored vehicle design. Future iterations of the MaxxPro and other MRAP vehicles are likely to incorporate even more advanced materials and technologies. The MaxxPro's legacy will be one of innovation, a testament to the relentless pursuit of protecting those who risk their lives in the line of duty.